66 million years ago, Earth was a vibrant world teeming with life. Dense forests stretched across continents, and vast oceans glittered under the bright sun. The rulers of this ancient world were the dinosaurs, majestic creatures that roamed the land, sea, and sky. They had lived for millions of years, adapting to the ever-changing planet. But their reign was about to end in a cataclysmic event that would alter the course of Earth's history forever. The day began like any other. The sun rose over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the landscape. Herds of herbivorous dinosaurs, like the mighty Triceratops and the towering Brachiosaurus, grazed peacefully in the lush meadows. Predatory dinosaurs, such as the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, prowled the forests, hunting for their next meal. Pterosaurs soared gracefully in the sky, their wings casting shadows on the ground below. But far above the planet, in the cold depths of space, a massive asteroid was hurtling towards Earth. It was about 10 kilometers in diameter, a colossal rock moving at incredible speeds. Unbeknownst to the dinosaurs, this asteroid would bring their world to an abrupt and violent end. As the asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere, it created a blinding streak of light across the sky. Dinosaurs lifted their heads, sensing something was amiss. The ground began to tremble as the asteroid hurtled closer, growing larger with each passing second. With a deafening roar, the asteroid slammed.